Hey guys, hey again. Welcome to sunset view from the Bharatpur Airport. Look at the Manasim, look at the town, look at the hospitals, look at our streets, yeah? It's a new foundation still, part of airport, yeah? I like airports, hotels, they bring the tourists, fortune, or part of tourism, You need transport, no matter by air or, by land, or even emergencies thing, for fun, or save the time, That's cool. Look here the mountain, look at the Manasulu guys. Did you see? It's beyond the three poles. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it? It is beautiful. It is nice. Tip top, tip top. Look at the sunset. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. Clear vision. Wow, good Shintalas guys, good Shintalas. Here you go. Good. Strawberry. Strawberry! When did you come from Kathmandu? Where you got to Kathmandu? When did you come from Kathmandu? Where you go after Kathmandu? Hey, hey, hey. Number 24 कोटी भरतपुर, okay? Nepal. This is our tuk-tuk. They're not bad. Hey guys, hey, this is our tuk-tuk. This is our tuk-tuk. This is barrack. This is barrack other side of the road. More like cavalry barrack. They're like horse races thing for the kings thing. Oh, that's good. Oh, nice tree. Nice tree. Yes, it's a little tree. That's good. It is a. That's great. When I can get free suntalas, huh? All day free suntalas. Oh. Look here, the magical sunset of Bharatpur Airport. Yeah. Yo trekking Rajan ho. अनि यो भरतपुर एयरपोर्टबाट लिएको हाम्रो चाहिँ यो सनसेट ब्युटिफुल म्याजिकल लुक एट द सुन्तला फ्रम द what do you call that Manakhamani suntala, you see, very juicy, good looking and juicy, you know. Malua Kera. Hey guys, hey, great wall. Here you go. Not a green, but that's a great wall, huh? Clean energy. Oh yeah. Look at the thing, it's battery, you know, no petrol. That's good, you know. That's cool. Anyway, this is the airport. This is the view. Oh no, मैले देखाएँ नि तपाईलाई. Look at the lorry, mate. Lorry, hey. Big wheel, huh? That's good. I like big wheels. And Captain, I like things. Way. Bupeva, Bupeva. Excellent, beautiful. You want me to take a picture? Oh la la. Hi girls, namaste from the Chiton. Look at the smiley face. Thanks guys. Yeah, they're very cute. Cute sis. Looks like more like a TikTok generation, you know. I'm too old. Very nice. Yeah. You want to be on camera and just say hi, hello. That's really cool. Really kaँडैले चुवास्छ, you know. You see the sunset and all of the brightness on the glass. You can see. Look at the around. I come with the doggy here too every day, and yeah, lots of jackals barking, you know, in the night. Like 3 a.m. I start my life every day. So I see lots of jackals, you know, like winking at me, you know. And that's so cool, you know. Okay, un momento allora. Una foto pagare Maria. 1, 2, 3. Un pasito pa'lante, María. 1, 2, 3. Un pasito pa'lante. 1, 2, 3. You know, like, yeah. Yeah, almost one is hiding by the buildings. I'm going to behind the. So. Anyway, very धन्यवाद साथीहरु. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Yeah. Muchas gracias. Thanks for watching my videos. And yeah, we keep update. Hey, see you on my next go. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. See you on my next. Cheers. Andiamo. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista. Già mataimasio. See ya.